Hey everyone, David Cook, D'Franco Painting Wallpaper. We're here in our new shop here in Huntley. And I just grabbed this door out of our bottom here. We use it for spraying, testing, all that kind of stuff. One question people ask us a lot about cabinet painting is if the paint is gonna peel. So we've done one on chipping, answering that question. So this one is peeling. So this is an oak door. We've painted it, well, I can see four colors that this has been painted so far. So we try and give samples of color, especially if it's a unique color, to make sure that that's the color that you want before we paint it. So I'm gonna grab, if I can find them, keys. So we are using Chem Aqua is our top coat, and our base or primer is Sticks from, well, we get it at JC Lick Benjamin Moore. So let's not use my car key, I'm gonna break it. So we're gonna use an old key. I gotta take this key off my key ring anyway. So will it peel? So, I mean, if I'm just using my fingernail, you can see them come on there. It doesn't peel, there's nothing coming off. I mean, I could take, here's a razor blade, straight against it. Will it affect? You can kind of see where I've scratched it a little bit. Maybe you can actually. Well, I can see it. Yeah, there you go. You can see where I scraped the surface, so it will scrape paint off. You can kind of see the paint because I scraped it. And so the other one is peeling. So here's my car key. There, look. How long did I have to do that to get that paint to flake off like that? No one's gonna take keys to your door to start peeling paint. So will it paint? Will the paint peel? It will peel under adverse conditions. Like I just took a car key to it to peel it off. I took a razor blade before that to get it to try and peel. But just to get it to come off, and even where I scraped this, using my fingernail, I cannot grab that paint to get it to peel off. It's not gonna peel. If you have cabinets or someone you know that has cabinets that has peeled, several reasons that I know of for sure. One of them is poor prep. Poor prep will for sure cause paint to peel off any surface. If the surface wasn't cleaned, if it wasn't scuff sanded, if the right primer wasn't used, that stuff will peel. If you have a freshly painted oil surface and you put, I always get this wrong, so I might have it backwards. If you put latex over oil and the oil was never cured, that latex paint will peel off just like saran wrap. So if it's done correctly, it will not come off. We clean it, we wipe it with denatured alcohol and then a degreaser. We actually are wet sanding it. I think it gives a better product. And then after we're done wet sanding it, we use that bonding primer, which is Sticks. That dries, and once it's dry, we scuff sand it, we hit it again, scuff sand it, and then we do our top coat. That Sticks primer, it's made for glass, it's made for ceramic tile, it's made to bond to almost non-porous surfaces. So if you can get a porous surface, that stuff is gonna stick all day long. So there's a question for you. Will the paint peel off my cabinets if I get them painted? Not if it's done correctly. If you got questions about painting your cabinets, how we can help you with your space, painting walls, wallpaper, especially painting cabinets, we'd love to help you out. If you got questions, let us know. Man, we'd love to answer your questions because we want to make sure you're making the best decision and we eliminate all your fears about having this kind of work done in your home. Because if you have the question, odds are someone else does. They just sometimes are afraid to ask or not sure how to ask the question. But we're here to help you out. We want to make sure you're comfortable in the changes that you're making in your house, so you're going to love the space you're in. You guys have a great day. God bless.